I think I look good. Way. Just saw on TikTok the best one is dishwasher detergent. Just use this. Vinegar can't clean anything, I mean, just use this. Nah, just use a cup of milk. Just put it on the washing machine on a normal cycle with some laundry detergent. Okay, what should I use? I need to watch Washer Kids video. Hello guys, here's Washer Kid, and in this video we are gonna try to remove a coffee stain. What you saw before was actually me after typing on Google how to remove coffee stains, and of course all of the meats just popped off. In this video we are gonna try not all of them, just the most powerful, let's just say one, the vinegar meat. So a lot of people are saying if you put vinegar on any kind of stain and let the clothes soak for a few hours, the stain will disappear. I don't think vinegar works so well. I know on washing machine it's good to use vinegar to do drum cleans, but didn't know that it can remove those stains. By the way, I weared it only 2 times and I spilled my coffee on it, so yeah, that's pretty sad. Well, I'm gonna do that by myself. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I don't know if you find this video interesting or not, but let me know in the comment section. The method that we are gonna use today, and that I saw on TikTok, and you probably guys saw it too on TikTok, was the vinegar. And not only the vinegar, but combined with dish soap. Some vinegar. And here we got some fairy, an old toothbrush. Alright, so I soaked up the part with the coffee stain. Okay, there we go. Put that. There we go, that's this. Okay, and now some dish soap. I'm gonna put it right there on the stain. Don't know what I'm doing here, but I am trying to brush this area when the stain is. I'm gonna do a full cycle in algae, and after that I'm gonna be back with the results of this. See, after 2 days now it's dried and I can say it's spotless. It worked.